TheRestaurantWarehouse.com introduces the Atosa MGF8402GR Undercounter Commercial Refrigerator. A top-quality undercounter refrigerator for your restaurants, food truck, or coffee shop. The Atosa Undercounter measures 48 1/4 inches wide by 30 inches deep by 34 1/8 inches high with a capacity of 13.38 cubic feet. It offers ample cold storage space for food service. The refrigerator features self-closing door with a stay-open feature. Magnetic door gaskets provide an energy-efficient positive door seal. It comes with digital temperature control, maintaining a range of 33 to 40 degrees Fahrenheit. Atosa refrigerators and freezers includes epoxy shelves, allowing for flexible storage. Atosa refrigeration uses a heavy-duty compressor that saves 40% energy compared to conventional compressors. The interior and exterior are made of easy-to-clean stainless steel. The Atosa Undercounter refrigerators and undercounter freezers is equipped with pre-installed industrial casters for easy mobility. Atosa refrigeration equipment is ENERGY STAR certified. Point-of-sale ENERGY STAR rebates are available for select zip codes. It uses environmentally friendly R290 Hydrocarbon refrigerant, ensuring efficient cooling. Undercounter refrigerators and undercounter freezers uses environmentally self-contained balanced refrigeration system for commercial kitchens, coffee shops, food trucks, and bars. The Atosa refrigerator has a 2-year parts and labor warranty and can be upgraded to a 3, 4, or 5-year parts and labor warranty at purchase. The compressor comes with a 5-year warranty. Atosa refrigeration is ETL listed, tested and certified. The unit complies with all United States NSF restaurant equipment safety standards. All Atosa restaurant equipment comes with free freight to your restaurant. Financing for a low monthly payment is available at therestaurantwarehouse.com.